Hello everyone, the topic of today's learning video is ratio and proportion. Today we are solving this question by using the property componendo at dividendo. The question is square root x plus 5 plus square root x minus 16 upon square root x plus 5 minus square root x minus 16 is equal to 7 by 3. Sum based on properties of proportion using componendo dividendo. Find the value of x. Okay, let's start the solution. In our solution we are written here that question as it is. Now we all know that this term we called numerator and this term we called denominator. So by using componendo dividendo property we know that if a by b we have, then componendo property said a plus b upon b, and if dividendo a by b is equal to a minus b upon b, that is dividendo. Okay, so when we using here the property componendo dividendo, what we written that numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. Okay, like this we already written here. Okay, like 7 by 3. So componendo dividendo property said that numerator plus denominator upon numerator minus denominator. So when we calculate this plus sign with this bracket, that term will writing as it is, but when minus sign calculate with this bracket, that minus sign multiply with this bracket term and the sign will be changed. Okay, like this. So here in this term we will cancel that plus minus term, like plus under root x minus 16 and minus under root x minus 16 will be cancelled, and here in denominator also square root x plus 5 and minus square root x plus 5, that both term are cancelled, is equal to 7 plus 4 is equal to 10, and 7 minus 3 upon 4, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 we are written here, and that both term we cancel by dividing 2, that 2 divided by 10 is equal to 5 and 2 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Okay, when this plus minus sign will get cancelled, what we done here, that remaining term we will return on downside, that is under root x plus 5 plus under root x plus 5, it becomes 2 under root x plus 5, and this is square root x minus 16 plus square root x minus 16, it also become a 2 square root x minus 16. It's like a x plus x is equal to twice x, like this same square root plus square root is equal to 2 square root. Okay, like this we are written here, this term plus this term is twice, okay, and this term plus this term twice square root x minus 16 is equal to this 5 by 2 we are written here. Now what the question said, that question said find the value of x. For finding the value of x, let's get that our x is come outside from this square root. Okay, so let's get 2 will cancel. Okay, and for x come outside from this square root, just squaring on that both side here and that side also, from both side we are squaring. So after the squaring, what happened, that this square root and this square will calculate and this will be cut, and the term remaining is simple. Okay, so now when square root and square will multiply, they calculate, they cancel it, and afterwards we are written here x plus 5 upon x minus 16 is equal to the square of 5 is 25 and square of 2 is 4. Now for calculating x, let's cross multiply this term, and after cross multiplying this 4 calculate this term, means 4 multiply x plus 5 is equal to 25 multiply this x minus 16, like this. Okay, afterwards when 4 multiply with x, the answer is 4x plus when 4 multiply with 5 is 20 is equal to 25x multiply 25x minus 25 and multiply with 16, the answer is 400. Now let's same term will write down on one side, like x term we write down on one side and simple term we write down on one side. Okay, so now 400 plus 20 is equal to 420 is equal to 25 x minus 4x is equal to 21x. Okay, this term we are written again here, we are writing that 420 is equal to 21x, same term we are writing 21x is equal to 420. Okay, now for calculating x is equal to 420 upon 21, and we all know that 21 2s are 42, so this term will be cancelled by 2s and this 0 is as it is. So answer of x is equal to 20. I hope you understand this simple term, ratio and proportion. The question said find the value of x, okay, by using the property of componendo and dividendo, and by using this property we are calculating this term and we get that right now the value of x, okay, the value of x is equal to 20. Thank you.